Sundrop Farms is a sustainable agricultural company. We really want to rethink and repurpose the way that farming has happened across the world and solve problems for consumers where in periods of the year where they couldn't receive a high quality produce product, they could actually buy it from Sundrop Farms. The energy component was a really important factor when we considered how we established the operation. Sundrop Farms was built on the idea of replacing fossil fuel usage and thinking about how we deliver a really meaningful and sustainable business, sustainable environmental impact, and also the meaningfulness of the employment and ongoing employment for those people. What we do is control the atmosphere within these greenhouses with both heating and cooling. And we also have CO2, and we have a very heavily computerised system that manages the climate, shading, all the various aspects. The solar energy system is really there to replace what was conventional heating system. Typically, what was done is people would either burn coal or they would burn wood chips or diesel to run a farm like this. And they could be using something like 25,000 litres of diesel per day to run an operation of this size. We've replaced the majority of that with concentrated solar power. We've decoupled away from fossil fuels, we've decoupled away from fresh water, so much more sustainable model, very, very low environmental impact. Sustainability is fundamental to all of our team members, including myself. We know that that's the future of not only our generations, but the ones to come. We have to improve our environment. It's shifting quickly. So that's part of our future of where we need to get to. So we need to consider all of those aspects in unison and actually develop a strong pathway for the future.